Now, doesn't that deserve a big round of applause, everyone? Come on! Can we do that one more time? More energy, please! That's better. Alright, everyone, you may now take your seats, please sit down, relax, and enjoy the evening. You are definitely in for some experience tonight. But before anything else, we would like to acknowledge the presence of some very important guests. From Bicol Isarog Transport Systems Incorporated, let's all welcome Mr. Jerry Abanyo, President. We also have here with us Mr. McCoy Del Pilar, Executive Vice President. Mr. BJ Cool Jr., General Manager. And Mr. Michael Angelo Villanueva, Assistant Vice President. And now from Pangasinan 5-Star, we have here with us tonight Mr. Cesar Hernandez. And Ms. Ana Katrina Hernandez Galvon. As well as Mr. Miguel Hernandez. Alright. And now from Victory Liner, we have here with us this evening Mrs. Euprosina Hernandez Del Pilar and Ms. Maribel H. Del Pilar. On behalf of BJ Mercantile and Scania, we are grateful and glad to have you all with us tonight. Now I can feel the excitement rising. Can you feel that too? Yes, alright. So to kickstart this momentous celebration, may I call on the Vice President of BJ Mercantile Incorporated, Ms. Lailani Lim Tan, for the welcoming remarks. Hi, thank you very much, Ms. Lailani Lim Tan, for showing all of us how impressive Scania is and what BJ Mercantile stands for in terms of providing high quality and excellent service to clients. And now, it is an honor for me to introduce our next speaker. She is skilled in strategic business planning and execution, internal and external stakeholder management, and business and process transformation. She has built high-performing teams and driven a culture of achievement in her previous senior management role as Chief Financial Officer at Scania, Australia. Responsible for the finance, IT, and procurement departments in Australia, as well as for commercial operations such as used truck sales and truck rental. Our guest of honor has enjoyed a wide range of experiences within the business over the past 2 decades. And if I may add, rightfully so, she holds a Bachelor of Commerce degree, Diploma of FEM Executive Management Program from Stockholm School of Economics, and is a certified public accountant. She brings enthusiasm, proficiency, and commitment to her current role at Scania Southeast Asia. She is married with 1 child, and in her spare time enjoys traveling, reading, listening to music, and exercising. Friends, let us all warmly welcome the Managing Director of Scania Southeast Asia, Ms. Heba El Tarifi.
Good evening, everyone. You have got so much information about me now.
Wow, energy efficiency, renewable fuels, and electrification, smart and city transport. What more can one ask for? Truly, this partnership that we're forging tonight is worth celebrating. But you know what? I believe we have only seen the tip of the iceberg. Brace yourselves, because for the next part of our program, we would dive deeper into the special things Bitsy can expect for their growing fleet. video said all, but I think I can sum it up in 2 words. It's world class. As we all know by now, Scania doesn't only boast of quality and world-class buses, they also offer great services to their clients. We've seen history unfold right here, right now. But we're not done yet. As part of our tradition, we will have a ceremonial blessing for the newly handed over units. To lead us from Our Lady of Perpetual Help Parish, we have Reverend Marty Espenido to be assisted by our production team from Unfold Media. May we also invite the representatives of Bicol Isarog Group to join the blessing.